Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
What are the most common roof repairs that y'all find yourself making throughout Arizona? Is there a certain roof type more prone to a certain type of damage?
Yeah, so I would say our number one roof repair we usually do is like a tile leak repair, because there sometimes can just be one slope on the roof that's damaged and that's seeing more water, typically like right next to like the valley or something like that. So we'll do like a general repair, because if someone has a roof and let's say their roof is anywhere from 7 to 10 years and it's only leaking in that one area, we don't need to replace the whole roof. We can go ahead and just do a repair. But if it's in multiple different areas, then that's when I'm going to be like, hey, we need to go ahead and replace the roof. Another common repair is replacing tiles. We get a lot of people that have the tiles that, especially like in like the Goodyear areas, the Levine areas where there's just like an air pocket. Typically those areas where they have all that wind, we're just replacing like a few tiles.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona